Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so this video is gonna be full of information. There's gonna be so much announcement, so much new collections. We're gonna get into makeup. Okay, so I can finally say it. Obviously you guys probably already know, I am still on cloud nine because I got the chance to perform with Miss Jennifer Lopez at the iHEART Awards a few days ago. It was just so much fun, so amazing. I actually never thought I would have a chance to dance with J-Lo. Like, you guys don't understand. J-Lo was like my era. Like, J-Lo was like my Christina, Britney. Like, we grew up, which by the way is probably like the best era ever. It's just to grow up with J-Lo, Britney, Christina, Beyonce, Destiny's Child, Mandy Moore, Jessica Simpson. Like, that was my time, and J-Lo was always one of my inspiration. She is just such a phenomenal person. So if you guys have not checked out that video, go ahead and check out my Instagram. It's just been blowing up, and also I'm pretty sure there's videos on J-Lo on YouTube as well. I'm gonna see if I can link the link down below on the information box. Please check it out. It was just so much fun, and I just love hanging out with the girls backstage and just doing what we love. So thank you so much to J-Lo and the team and Morgan for having me. I will always remember this iconic moment. It was just so much fun. So long story short, you guys, so today, you guys, by the title of this video, you guys already know what it's gonna be, but I'm gonna switch things up. You know what I mean? Because there's so much new stuff in this office that I kind of want to just share with you guys. But I'm gonna go ahead and open up the video with the new Beauty Killer Part 2. You guys, we have it in the studio. Jeffree and the team sent it over. First of all, I really want to talk about this mirror because I feel so uncomfortable holding this. I don't know what it is. I think this is so risky and so, like, I don't know. I don't even want to get flagged on YouTube for holding this, but like, this is by far, I will say, my favorite mirror Jeffree has ever produced. Like, I am actually obsessed with this. Second of all, this is the palette. So Beauty Killer came out, and now if you guys don't know, long story short, check out Jeffree Star's video on YouTube. He did announce Beauty Killer was like the making of his brand. He wanted to anniversary his brand by Beauty Killer 2. So this is the palette. Now this is the reason why I'm changing the video up a little bit, you guys, because I have to say, to be honest, like, looking at this palette, I will say it's very Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Like, this is what I would expect from the brand. They're very risky, dark, random. I've always said Jeffree's palettes are very random. There's always a story with his palettes. I've always said on my channel that I love palettes that really challenge you as an artist. I think nowadays when it comes to palettes, it just becomes too easy and too repetitive. So I do love the fact that he comes out with palettes that, you know, brand, like, you're not gonna see MAC come out with this. You're not gonna see Too Faced come out with this. You're not gonna see any brand that come out with this color story. So that's why I do love the Jeffree Star Cosmetic brand. They do challenge you as an artist. I probably would have never picked this palette up. It's very bold, very random, and this is not a Kimora palette at all, but I'm gonna try to dip into some of it today. Next, we do have the Ice Crusher. So this is the Ice Crusher highlight palette. You know, honestly, for me, I will say this is probably my least favorite product in the collection. I love his highlights. I use them on my shoulders, my body a lot. Hint that I said body. I, for some reason, am not a highlight person anymore. Like, I barely put frost on my face, and I mean, the only thing I really do highlight is the tip of my nose because I'm trying to like create the nose that I want in my dreams, but I don't have. But I really don't highlight anymore. Like, on my face, I just don't highlight. Like, it's just not my trend anymore. I don't really see it as a trend. And it's actually really rare that when I go out, I see people highlight their face. I don't know what it is. I just feel like it used to be like this popular trend where we highlight here and we highlight here, and I think it still is. But I think for me, being on stage and wearing makeup from like 24 hours, you know, highlight is kind of scary for me. I usually do love to highlight his products on my body, like when I'm wearing chestless or corsets. I do love to highlight the shoulders and bones and things like that. So we'll see if I use that in the future. J-Lo was so nice enough to send home with me some J-Lo products. So we do have J-Lo Beauty. I've never tried her products before, you guys. I'm not much of a skincare person. I'm not skincare thrive. You guys already seen it. If you guys want to check out my skincare video, the link is right here. My skincare regimen is really boring. It's really, I have acne. It is what it is. So I cannot use a lot of products, especially when it comes to like celebrity. I call these like the one-hitter quitters, especially like J-Lo, Ariana Grande, Becky G. Like, I mean, when they come out with these beauty lines, they're one-hitter quitters. I don't go to the parties. I don't care because I like to support brands that keep going with products, not little hype products. You know what I mean? So I feel like I'm not trying to talk shit about J-Lo's products. I'm just saying when it comes to like J-Lo and her line, I don't really see her going any farther with what she's doing. I don't think, you know, she's the makeup person. So that's why like I haven't really picked up products that are one-hitter quitters. I just don't really care to review them because it's for what? You know what I mean? Like, I like to stick with brands that keep coming out with product and really keep us hyped and keep us going, you know? So I do love supporting brands in that way because I feel like that is the heart and the core of beauty. But I will probably try some of this. I do want to try the bronzing. I mean, when it comes to JLo bronzing, hello. Like, who else would I turn to besides her or Kim? Last but not least, you guys, I do have the Too Faced Born This Way Sunset Strip. They just sent this out to me. Bam! This screams very me. This is very Too Faced. Even the way it's like presented is very Too Faced. I mean, honestly, I love this palette. But have I seen this palette before? Absolutely. I've seen tons of these palettes. But you know what? For me, when it comes to like a palette that I do love, I don't mind having more than one. So I'm okay with this. This is probably gonna stay in my travel luggage. Just to know that I have a whole smoky eye collection in my luggage. I'm okay with that. I feel like makeup nowadays, you should have more than one of your favorite palettes. Like, why not, right? So I think this is really cute. I mean, I wish there was a black in there, but I love this. I really do love this. So this is pretty cool. I love it. Very self-explained. Now there's one product line, a collection that was sent to me from ColourPop. Now you guys know I barely ever show ColourPop on my channel because they just have a lot of collections and I ain't a ColourPop sav, okay? Like, I'm not gonna sit here and ColourPop this, ColourPop that. They have collections, like 5 of them a week. They go from like Rugrats to Bad Girls Club to, you know what I mean, Harry Potter. Like, it's like a lot. It's just too much. But when I did get this, you guys, I was very excited because I was looking for eye pencils forever. A lot of brands don't come out with eye pencils and eye gels and things like that, which a lot of people need because a lot of people don't really want to work with shadows a lot. And a lot of people just want to draw it on, set it with a shadow and call it a day. So ColourPop sent over these eye duos, which I might dip in today. I've been looking for these forever. And is one of my brows like uneven? Oh my God, this one is so uneven. Oh wow. It's okay because this makeup's coming off and I'm going straight to Phoenix, Arizona in a few hours. So I'm like obsessed with this. Oh my God, these blushes are so pretty. This is, I don't even know what collection this is, but look at this. I mean, it's a blush, you guys. I mean, if you guys haven't seen a blush yet, then where have you guys been? But I'm just gonna like, oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Oh my God, it's so pretty. This blush is everything. Like, I'm gagged. Okay, I'm gonna keep this eye really simple and really cunt. But by just looking at this, you guys, I'm gravitating towards the green. The neon is cool. I love this blue. I might even do something with that blue. I think the blue is what it's gonna be, you guys. I think I haven't done a blue eye in forever. All right, guys, so what I'm seeing is, oh my God, look at, it's like totally coming out. Okay, so what I'm seeing is like a floating crease just pulled out and then pulled in and buffed out beautifully. That's what I'm kind of seeing here. So I need to get like a really flat primer. Actually, let's use this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this color called Respect. We're gonna go ahead and just set that, a little bit of that on the lid. Oh, I do actually really love this color for like a base color. Oh, I love that as a base color. And then now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw on the blue. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do it like this. This is why like we needed like eye pencils. Okay, so I totally messed up, but it's okay. And then we're gonna take, because this is an eye pencil, you guys, we're gonna just take it and we're just gonna buff it out with the product just like that. We're not gonna really add anything yet. See how you take it? That's why I love eye pencils, because like it's already product. You don't need to like add anything. But we will definitely add something. Okay, I totally messed up right here, but it's okay because we're gonna go in and we're definitely going to clean that up on the bottom, taking it and buffing out. So I'm gonna take some of this blue called Redemption and I'm just gonna really blend it in right here. Ooh, this blue is actually really beautiful. Wow, this blue is actually beautiful. This blue is stunning. Wow, that blue literally just made it. Like, it literally just made it like really nice. Okay, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna blend this out. I know what I'm gonna do. We're just gonna blend this out, you guys, just like that. And we're gonna clean underneath. Now, we're gonna go ahead and clean underneath. We're just gonna go ahead and use like a basic concealer. I'm gonna use a concealer because I don't want my lid to be so thick. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just clean it like this. Okay. This concealer definitely mixed some of that blue in there. I'm kind of like irritated that happened, but it's okay because we're gonna set it with the lime green, so I think it's gonna be fine. This is the eye that we totally messed up on. So now that we have kind of like cleaned it up a little bit, we don't need to make it so perfect. I know some people like to make it really perfect. We're gonna go ahead and set it now. I'm gonna set it with that Respect color again in the palette, in the Jeffree palette. Okay. Like, I love what's going on right here. I love that little blue. Like, it's kind of like, just doesn't look so perfect all the time. Wow, I'm fully gagged. I do like where this is going. We're gonna go ahead and change things up. I'm gonna leave this blue out, okay? Because we're gonna go back to this blue on the bottom of the eye. But I now want to do a little yellow right here because this yellow is going to pick up that green. Okay, so I tapped a little bit of that yellow liner. That's why I love like pencils, you guys. And now we're gonna go ahead and put this lime green called Self-Expression. I want this inner corner to be like, oh my God. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. That is literally the most neon shadow I've ever used in my entire life. Did you guys just see how this just like appeared? Like literally look at it. I am so gagged. I am fully gagged. Oh my God, that is so bright. Like, I've never seen a shadow that does that. That is actually really insane to me. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm fully gagged. I'm just gonna deepen this a little bit. I might even just use like the whole Jeffree palette, to be honest. Let's go ahead and do it. So now, because we love these pencils, I'm gonna go ahead and go like this. I literally feel like a bird. And taking that brush, you guys, we're just gonna blur it out. Same thing on this side. Take it and blur it out. Oh, wow. Now, I know I'm a little silent, but it's okay. Taking the an empty brush, let's go ahead and just blur it out. Okay. Now, I'm just trying to try to clean this area up a little bit. What's happening with that liner is starting to kind of smudge. You see right here? It's like smudgy. I don't mind it. I don't really need it to be perfect. Like, I love that. Like, I mean, I like a very executed clean, but sometimes, like, I just like it to be kind of not really trying, you know? I kind of want to see what a little bit of this frost is going to do on the lid. Let's kind of see what it looks like. Let's do, like, this color called Avalanche. See, you guys, this is the most highlight I've ever put on. So now what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and take that blue liner and I'm going to smudge it all underneath. Okay, you guys, so sorry, my camera literally fucking died. So now that I have the liner on the bottom, let's go ahead and smudge at the bottom with that brush. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this liner and I'm going to pinch. Same thing here. Okay, kind of gives you like a little cat eye moment. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and take a brush and I'm just gonna dip a little bit in that blue and just really blur out all this work right here. Oh my God, I love this eye. Do we love this or what? I am still super gagged on how like super neon this color is. Like as soon as I put it on, I was like, oh my God, like it's so like bright. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more, but I'm gonna raise it a little bit, just like that. I think that's cooler. Do we love that? Oh my God, I love it. So now, that little brush we use for the inner corner right here, I am gonna do a little trick. So take this shadow called Redemption, and let's just kind of pinch it right here. It kind of adds like this, like snatch look. Kind of just adds like it just kind of like adds a little something to it. So what I want to do now is we're gonna go ahead and take some liner, and we're just gonna really deepen up this edge, like that. Okay, perfect. I am so obsessed with this eye. So I'm gonna put some glue on my lashes. I'm just gonna use like some really small like lashes. Like I wanna feel cunt. A little Tati lash here, you guys, that I have. I literally wore this on set for JLo. I feel like these lashes would do justice. And as that, let's kind of decide on like what lip we should do. I mean, honestly, I would do nude, but I think we are better than that. Let's kind of see like maybe a pink. What should we do? What should we do? Like, you guys, this is literally the most I highlight. What lip should we do? Should we do like an orange? Actually, an orange. You guys, Jaclyn Hill has orange. I think orange with this would be really cute. Like, I'm talking about like this orange. That's a little birdie. Or what about like pink? That looks better. I can't decide. I think pink looks better. What about like a hot pink? But yeah, if you guys need some really nice new liquid lipsticks, Jaclyn Hill just came out with this full collection you can get on Morphe. So I'm gonna do pink. I'm gonna just try it. I think it's gonna work. I just didn't want nude. So far, I like it. I mean, I probably should have chose nude. I actually don't mind it. Oh! Oh my God. I don't know why I don't like this formula. This formula is kind of chalky. You see? It's like chalky and it moves. That looks better. Something's off. Okay. Yeah, the lip is not working, you guys. Oh, because I used the wrong lip liner. Oh my God, Kimora, what are you doing? Oh my God, my lip looks crazy. Oh my God, you guys, I picked up the wrong hot pink liner. Now I gotta clean it up. Let's add a gloss. Okay. I literally look like a bird. Oh my God. I'm fully gagged. Like, oh my God. Okay, guys. I'll be right back. I just want to hold this knife like this. Whack! Did I do that right? I literally just threw in a whole like little ponytail. You guys know I've been living my ponytail fantasy for like the past few months. But you guys, let's just get into this eye makeup. Like I am super happy with it. Like I did not know that I was gonna create an eye like this today. The pink, I'm kind of digging. I actually would have loved to see this with the nude. But you know what, whatever. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love y'all so dearly. And you guys, if you guys have not checked out the JLo performance, go check it out right now at iHEART Awards. I think it's on the JLo YouTube page. I think I saw the performance. It's her accepting the Icon Award. Wow, a lot of things are coming up for me. I'm so excited and very, very blessed and just really, really thankful that I'm able to do what I love. I love you so dearly. Please subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up. It does mean a lot. I'm planning on doing a giveaway on my next video. So other than that, I gotta jump on a plane and go. If you guys are in Phoenix, I will see you guys this weekend at Charlie's and also at The Rock on Sunday. I love you and I will see you guys in a few days. Have a great weekend.